In this video, we'll look at double limits and how it supports controlled tooth movement during setup planning. Double limits provides visual movement guidance without limiting your ability to adjust movements freely. Let's begin in company settings and open double limits. These settings define how movement guidance is applied across all cases by default. On the left, you'll see a teeth chart for the upper and lower jaws. By default, all teeth are selected. You can deselect individual teeth, select multiple teeth at once, or quickly choose groups such as incisors, canines, premolars, or molars. The movement values on the right always reflect the current selection. Each movement direction includes two guidance levels, medium and hard. Medium limits indicate a controlled, commonly accepted movement range. Hard limits indicate a higher risk range that requires closer attention. Hard limits do not represent a maximum, they simply signal that the movement should be reviewed carefully. Both levels can be adjusted independently. Now let's move to the setup stage. Here, movement guidance appears directly in the tuning table. When a movement reaches the medium limit, it is highlighted in orange. When it reaches the hard limit, it is highlighted in red. Red highlights do not restrict movement, they serve only as a visual warning. If both medium and hard limits are disabled, no highlighting is shown, but all movements remain available. Custom limits for individual teeth. In some cases, a specific tooth may require different movement behavior. For a selected tooth, you can enable custom limits. Custom limits override the global settings and apply only to that tooth. This allows targeted control without affecting the rest of the arch. Apply or revert custom limits. If the same custom limits should be applied to all teeth, you can apply them globally with a single action. If custom limits are no longer required, you can disable them to immediately return to the global values. With double limits, you can clearly see when movements stay within a comfortable range and when they require additional review. You get consistent visual feedback, global defaults, and tooth-level control working together to support confident setup planning. This is how double limits work. Thank you for watching.